Hello, my brothers and sisters, my friends and my well wishers. Ablock and they create the world now. It's still a big Z. I'm saying Sinoko Sisi. Today, not today, no be tomorrow. We are about to challenge shifting spanner today. Here is original red man. Here is Imo International. And also, this is the shifting spanner. Una know say una know am now. So we have 4 semo here now. And as you can see the table, we have 50K on the table. So first to finish this 4 semo, we take 50K. Where they here now. So as these two guys were DM me through my WhatsApp, they say they want challenge shifting spanner for this first game. So now we are about to start the game. Are we ready to go?
Yes.
Are we ready to go?
Yes.
Game start. Imo. Game start. We are about to go. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Red man is going. Shifting spanner is moving. Imo is going. Shifting spanner is on the 2. Okay, you are going. Red man is getting to 2, second level. Are you seeing it? Red man is moving. Red man is moving. Shifting spanner is going. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? The game is going. Red man is going. Shifting spanner. Ha! Oh boy. Are we seeing it? Are you seeing it? They are moving. Red man is on the 2. Remember 1. Imo is going. Shifting spanner is moving. Are you seeing it? Can you just imagine what is happening here? Shifting spanner is getting to the last one. Shifting spanner is about to win this game. Oh. Shifting spanner, 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 shifting spanner. See, he's waiting them now. Shifting spanner, shifting spanner, shifting spanner, shifting spanner. Shifting spanner. Shifting spanner. Shifting spanner is winning. Shifting spanner is winning. Are you seeing it? Shifting spanner. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Shifting spanner. Shifting spanner. Shifting spanner. Shifting spanner have won the game. He won the game.
I'm not going
He won the game. Imo, you try. Red man, you try. But definitely, Shifting Spanner have won the game. So,